Hi, my name is Zach Dewhurst and I'm the owner of Print Phase. We offer many different types of screen print transfers so you can always satisfy the wants and needs of your customers. One of our really nice types of transfers that is rarely offered in our industry is a true low temperature transfer. And the reason that it is extremely necessary is to be able to print onto synthetic materials like polyesters. Now, you could print most transfers around 350 to 375 degrees onto polyester garments, but the problem is you will see that the press leaves a box on the garment. And this is due not because of too much pressure from the heat press, but too much temperature. That is why we've designed a true low temperature screen print transfer. Our low temperature screen print transfer is available in over 60 standard colors. It can be applied to not only 100% polyester garments, but cotton poly blends as well. Now, instead of applying it at the typical 375 degrees that we do for most of our transfers, our low temperature transfers can actually be applied at 280 degrees at 8 to 10 seconds at medium to firm pressure and are peeled cold. Now, just like our other garments, you want to make sure that there are no wrinkles or moisture within the garment. Now, again, because we're actually printing onto a synthetic material, there's rarely going to be any moisture in the garment because it's actually a moisture wicking garment. So in this case, we're going to actually press it more so just to release any wrinkles that may be within the garment. Now, when it comes to polyester and synthetic materials, you'll actually notice that sometimes after pressing, the polyester will want to bunch up. In this case, it did not. It just really depends on how much pressure you're really applying and the actual type of garment. Now, we're going to apply it very similarly to our hot peel transfers. We're really just taking it down nearly 100 degrees so that we don't scorch the synthetic material and leave a box from the press. So again, we're going to apply this for 8 to 10 seconds, 280 degrees, and we're going to cold peel it. You really want to make sure that you have that medium to heavy pressure. So just like our other cold peels, we suggest that you rub it for 5 to 10 seconds with a heat eraser or another garment, and you let it truly cool for a good 20 to 30 seconds. Now, when you're printing onto cottons and cotton poly blends, this is 100% necessary to be used as a cold peel. But a lot of the time on a synthetic material, you actually can get away with peeling it warm. It is really up to personal preference and your testing. We highly suggest sticking with the cold peel as we know it'll work every single time. And just like our other cold peel transfers, if you don't peel it after 20 to 30 seconds, you can actually put it off to the side and peel it several minutes later and you won't have any problems. So by this time, we should be nice and cooled, and we're going to peel it in a nice, smooth, continuous motion. What's also very nice about our low temperature transfers is they can be applied to any color garment, both lights and darks. Now, what we need to do with our low temperature transfers, just like any of our other cold peel transfers, we need to press it again. And this is more so for peace of mind and also helping further soften the ink. When it comes to low temperature transfers, we pretty much always suggest that you use craft paper and you just place it over the print and you press it for, again, 5 to 10 seconds at the exact same temperature and pressure settings. After that 5 to 10 seconds, you just want to peel it away hot, and there you go. You'll actually feel the ink is just slightly a little bit softer and the edges are a little bit more pushed into the garment. And there you go. This is a true low temperature transfer, so you won't be scorching synthetic materials like 100% polyesters. If you have any questions about why you should use our low temperature transfers and how to apply them, please do not hesitate contacting us. Thank you.